Hey guys, so I wanted to show you this new shampoo and conditioner that I just got in for my pup. I'm really excited to open this up and show you guys what's in some water, just like a human you would. Apply enough shampoo to create a soapy lather, massage in to stay on the coat and hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you're going to rinse it off and finish with this conditioner. So the conditioner, you're going to work liberally from head to tail, carefully avoiding the eyes and the nose, and you're going to leave that on for about 3 to 5 minutes, or as long as your pup tolerates. My little pup sometimes doesn't like tubby time, so we'll see how that goes. But I really do love this packaging. It's really cute. I'm going to give it a smell here and let you guys know how it smells as well. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely amazing. Super fresh, super clean. I cannot wait for my dog to smell like this rather than what she smells like right now. Inside. So let's see here. Ooh, wow. These are really nice bottles. So we have these nice size bottles here, guys. We have this shampoo and we have the conditioner. What I love about this is my dog has really sensitive, itchy skin. She's a short-haired mini dachshund. So we really like to use allergy or itch relief formulas, especially ones made with oatmeal. So I love that this one has the oatmeal, honey, and aloe vera. And it says use on dogs and cats only. Obviously, you don't want to use this on humans. You wet and coat the hair with warm